Hey everyone, my name is Brandon Hogue, and I did my WebTech project on database development. I've broken my project into 2 videos. This first one's going to be really short, just a quick intro into databases, and then the second one I'm going to go into how to design a simple database. What is a database? Databases are any collection of data or information that is specially organized for rapid search and retrieval by a computer. They can store, retrieve, modify, or delete data. Where are they found? Databases are relevant online. Especially, it's hard to find a website that doesn't use some sort of database. Anytime you have to create an account or use your password to log in somewhere, your information is being stored on a database. That way, they can keep track of who you are and your information, and they can also attempt to keep it safe. This is found email accounts, social media, credit card companies. A big one is streaming services. They will be keeping tabs on what you're watching, and then they'll try and find other things that you might want to watch. All their movies, like Netflix has, are stored on a database. And once they see you like a certain database, say political science, then they'll find other movies that fit that criteria. Product inventory is a big one. Amazon.com, say they have 25 t-shirts. You buy 5 of them. That database has now gone from 25, and now it says 20. That's just really basic examples. You can always do more research because the possibilities are endless. How to create a database. Using a database management system, DBMS, is how one creates a database. What does that mean? This is just the software you use to create a database, long story short. And then you can do the same things that a database does, where you store information, you can add information to your database, change information, or retrieve information. The program I have chosen to use after some research is MariaDB. It's one of the more popular DBMSs out there. Below is the link, or if you want to, you can simply just go MariaDB, type it into Google, it'll be the first one that pops up. The last topic I want to talk about is Structured Query Language, SQL for short. This is the language that communicates with databases, and you'll see when I open up MariaDB that in order to get a database to do what you want, you have to use its language, which is very specific and different than what we usually do. Alright, in my next video we're going to get started on building a simple database.